Hello everyone. You must be thinking what's new today and what's going to happen today. So very first I would like to inform you guys here two people are with us and we would like to listen to them in English. First of all, I would like to give a little introduction about them. Basically they belong to very simple families and their parents do not speak English and they just joined us before some days I can say before 20 to 25 days, and within 20 to 25 days they are giving wonderful presentation in English. They are speaking wonderful English with confidence and with good gestures and postures. So very first I would like to know their names. Let's know their names. Madam, what's your name please?
My name is Sumaira.
And what's your name please?
My name is Prachi.
So we are going to listen, their self-introduction and family introduction. Sumaira will present her self-introduction and Prachi will present her family introduction. So let's go to Sumaira and know her self-introduction के अंग्रेजी में अपने self-introduction को हम कैसे बोलते हैं. एक simple family की लड़की आपको बोल करके बताएगी. Please सुमेरा आप बोलिएगा. You start now.
Hello everyone. I am Sumaira. I am 17. I belong to Nagina. I reside at Sherkot. I have done 10 plus 2 and I am doing graduation. Apart from my graduation, I am currently doing English speaking course and computer course. And my hobbies are traveling, Himalayas, trekking and playing badminton. And my strength is my confidence. My weakness is my emotion. So thank you so much for listening to me.
Oh, very wonderful. Sumaira, you have presented very well. Very wonderful English of you. Now let's go to Prachi. Now we'd like to listen Prachi. Prachi, you start speaking please.
Thank you, Atul sir, for giving me a wonderful opportunity. I would tell you about my family introduction. I have a nuclear family. There are 5 members in my family, including me. First of all, my father. My respected father name is Mr. Manoj Sharma. He is a security guard. He has done 10 plus 2. He likes singing, watching news and reading newspapers. Then about my mother. My respected mother name is Mrs. Anita Sharma. She is a housewife. She has done 10 plus 2. She resides at Kedarpur. She likes singing, watching news and teaching me. Then about my brother. My brother name is Vishal Sharma. He is a student. He has done BSc. He likes playing games and traveling and watching news. Then about my sister. My sister name is Binni Sharma. She is a student. She has done BSc. She resides at Kedarpur. She likes singing, dancing and watching serials. Then about my family. Thanks for listening to me.
Okay, thank you very much Prachi for giving a wonderful presentation. जी हाँ दोस्तों, यदि इसी तरीके से आप शानदार लोगों को शानदार तरीके से अंग्रेजी बोलता देखना चाहते हैं और इनके माध्यम से आप लोग भी बढ़िया इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना चाहते हैं तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना, हमारे चैनल को आप तुरंत से तुरंत सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और शेयर करें. थैंक यू.